Garmin and Lowrance are two of the biggest names in fishing electronics, and both offer advanced live sonar systems. The Garmin LiveScope 2 starts at around $1,999.99, while the Lowrance ActiveTarget 2 is priced around $1,399.99, making it a more affordable option for anglers already using Lowrance displays. Both systems deliver impressive clarity, accurate fish tracking, and multiple viewing modes. But which one gives you the better fishing advantage? Let's compare their design, image quality, range, features, and overall performance. Design and installation. Starting with the design, both systems are built for serious anglers, but they take a different approach. The Garmin LiveScope 2 brings a cleaner and more simplified setup compared to previous generations. It works with compatible Garmin chart plotters and offers an improved installation experience with fewer components and easier wiring. This makes it a great upgrade for anglers who want a premium and organized sonar setup. The Lowrance ActiveTarget 2 uses a dedicated sonar module and transducer system that connects with compatible Lowrance displays. Its flexible mounting options allow anglers to adjust the transducer based on their fishing style. Garmin focuses on a simpler premium setup, while Lowrance offers strong integration for anglers already using Lowrance electronics. Image quality, the Garmin LiveScope 2 improves on the previous generation with better resolution, reduced sonar noise, and improved target separation. Fish, bait, and underwater structures appear sharper, making it easier to track fish movement and understand their behavior. The Lowrance ActiveTarget 2 also provides detailed real-time sonar images with improved clarity and smoother target tracking. It gives anglers a clear view of fish reactions in underwater environments. Garmin has a small advantage in overall sharpness and live tracking, while Lowrance delivers impressive image quality with reliable performance. Range and coverage. Range is one area where these systems show their differences. The Garmin LiveScope 2 offers excellent scanning capability with coverage up to around 250 feet, depending on conditions and setup. Its forward, down, and perspective modes help anglers search more water and quickly locate fish. The Lowrance ActiveTarget 2 provides strong live sonar coverage with accurate tracking around the boat. It performs especially well for anglers who focus on specific fishing areas and want detailed views of fish and structure. Features and compatibility. Garmin LiveScope 2 supports forward, down, and perspective views, giving anglers different ways to locate fish depending on their fishing style. Lowrance ActiveTarget 2 also supports forward, down, and scout views while working seamlessly with Lowrance HDS and Elite Series displays. Final verdict. The Garmin LiveScope 2 is the better choice for anglers who want the latest technology, sharper images, longer range, and a more advanced live sonar experience. The Lowrance ActiveTarget 2 offers excellent performance at a lower price and is a great option for anglers already using Lowrance equipment. If you want the best overall live sonar performance, Garmin LiveScope 2 is the winner.